You're gonna go ahead and rip off your lettuce, put it into a salad spinner, and give that a spin to wash it. Take that clean lettuce, transfer to a bowl, and then I'm gonna let it refrigerate to get crispy. 7 layers. So I'm gonna do lettuce, cauliflower, onions, bacon, and then for the dressing, Miracle Whip, Parmesan cheese, and sugar. Next up, cauliflower. Next up, onions. I'm gonna mix the Miracle Whip, Parmesan, and sugar together and then add this later to my salad. Add in some sugar, about 2 light teaspoons, and then I'll be adding Parmesan.